go.
Come on, come on. Give me your fish. Mommy will hold the fish. There you go. Fix your fish. Can you fix this? Let's go, let's go.
Yeah, I got that.
When you pick combo, perfect.
And then see, let's go. Oh. Raisin, wait for daddy. You have to put the purple bracelet first. Hi, but first we're gonna take pictures, okay? Then we're gonna ride the tractor. Oh, left down, dad. Left down. That's daddy's. That's not yours. Okay, let's go. Barbie. Baby. USB. Stop na. Ang galing naman. Smile. Raisin, smile. Now look at the camera. Look. Raisin, you go in the middle.
Alright, where are we going, mommy?
But where there's a bee. Nababahinga ka. Oops! So big.
Get it if you want to. You can get anything. Whoa, that is big, mommy.
Inside, inside.
Oh, pick it up.
But it should.
Ba't po kayo namimitas ng bulaklak? Ale, sunflower lang po. Bakit po kayo nangunguha ng ibang bulaklak? Ale. Ale, ano po ginagawa nyo? Ale.
Time to ride the cow train. Wow. Ganto. Rabbit is sleeping eh. Look, anak, look how they're sleeping. Go to the baby. A baby goat. We call baby goat. Kid.
The baby cat.
Wala nang excited siya. Mommy goat? Find the mommy goat daw, dad. Okay, they're eating.
Nakatulog the donkey.
Oo. Be careful. Wow. Oh, watch only Raisin.
Can I eat grass too? No, I can eat grass.
Raisin. Say nice to meet you. I'll give him. Baby mommies are on the other side. There. Over there. On that side. The mommy goat. See how hello, donkey. Fix your hand up.
There's a pig over there. You see the pig?
Oh, no. Wild boar ba yan? Nalilito na, daddy.
He's talking to you. What are you gonna say? Don't pull it.
Oh,
Don't
just
pull
me.
it. No, don't pull the horn.
Raisin, give some. Go, go. There you go. I know. Come out here. I'll give some. Here, say here. I'll give some a little bit. Come on. Go check out the pig. What is it now? Daddy, baka makagat. Hey. Ang big. It's so big, anak. Don't touch it. Look at the skin. Baka umutot. Don't touch it. Just a little bit. Touch a little bit. Touch a little bit. Ay. Chickens. You want chickens here? Here, oh, chickens. Oh. Chicken. Hi. Oh, there's a duck. On the other side. There. Let's go. Saan yung ride? Cow ride and then uwi na tayo. Oh, let's go. Cow ride. We're gonna go cow. Ride it. Daddy, carry him na. We're gonna go ride the cow train. Max. Oh, Max tayo, Max. Go ride. Oh, sure. How about the other one? Oh, may rock. Wanna try to ride a bike? Hey, Benson, you wanna try to ride a bike? Oh, go down, go. They're eating raisin. Watch only. No more, they finished the day already. Oh, they're eating, Emma. Touch a little bit. Here. Touch here. Here. They don't keep saying that. The ears. Long ears. Long ears. Wow. He likes your raisin. Oh.
What am I?
What am I? Look at my wool. What am I?